I'm searching for a reason to come home, and I won't.
Today I'm very blessed woman to have a husband, partner, friend and lover like you, Jeff, in my life. And from this day forward, I promise to take care of you. I promise to be by your side in good times and bad times. I promise to respect you and encourage you in all your dreams.
With me, the stars watch us tonight. I'll stay for as long as you will know. I'm searching for a reason to go home, and I won't let our hearts collide until the moment's right, and all we are is all we'll ever be. I know we aren't where we said we'd be when we were 17, but I feel safe here, lay with me. The stars watch us tonight.
Wow, Josy, you look amazing. More beautiful than when I met you 11 years ago. I am proud to take you as my wife. For all the time we have been together, there has always been the kind of mutual understanding, which is only possible when there is true love. Let us be friends and lovers forever. I love you, Josy.
Lay my heart by your side tonight. We sing to believe in a better life. Place my hand by your heart tonight. Feel your heart beat as we shut our eyes. Tell me all your secrets till the sun comes up. Know that I will keep them till we are old enough. Show me all your pictures.
Spoken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few